Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn English poem second in my dreams. That is written by Emily Burton. So let us going to know about it. Warm up activity. What are the various jobs that people do? So you want to write about various job the people are doing. Working in pairs and make a list. And you want to make a list the people are doing various kind of jobs, just like a teacher, doctor, engineer, lawyer. So like that type of many jobs are there. That list you want to make as a warm-up activity. I don't know why I want to be an astronaut. So the poet, he wants to be an astronaut. Astronaut means the person who is traveling in the space. You can look. The boy is moving in the space with his rocket, floating in the sky. I know it can be dangerous, and while moving in the sky, and it can be dangerous, but I still want to fly. But then the poet wants to be fly in the sky, even though it is dangerous and it is risky. Next stanza. Higher than an eagle, you want to fly high than the eagle goes. Eagles are flying in the sky very high, but here poet wants to be reach again higher than the eagle, higher than the plane, and he want to reach higher than the plane, higher than the wind can reach, and he want to reach at the place where wind cannot reach at the place, even higher than the rain, and you want to reach at the place higher than the rain also. Next stanza. Hovering in my rocket. Hovering means the staying in an place in the air, usually by moving the wings quickly. Hovering means the staying one place in my rocket. So he want to stay still one place in the rocket in the sky and staring at the star, and he want to watch from there all the stars which twinkling in the sky like that. Then looking for a planet, and from that place he want to look planets such as Jupiter or Mars, and he want to likes to look Jupiter or Mars. Those are planets. Landing on the moon, and afterwards he want to go to moon. Bouncing there, he want to bounce there on the moon because of there is gravitational force is low. Then having fun, he wants to have fun on the moon. Then leaping in my rocket, he want to reach again in the rocket and striking past the sun, and he want to go straight and very fast to the sun, moving exactly quickly, usually in a straight line. He want to go to sun in my dream, and that is of poet's dream, flying high, and in his dream he wants to fly high in the sky some days, and he want to stay in the space some days. I know I shall touch the sky, and he knows that I shall touch the sky in the space. So that poem is about dream of the poet Emily Burton. So in that poem we have learned about the poet's wish is to become astronaut and fly high in the sky. So thanks everyone for watching.